Ever wondered if there was a way to move your digital assets seamlessly between different cryptocurrencies, all within the secure confines of your hardware wallet? If you're an Ellipal user, or even just curious about secure crypto management, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the surprisingly straightforward process of swapping cryptocurrencies directly on your Ellipal cold wallet. Swapping crypto can often feel like a juggling act, moving funds to an exchange, dealing with various fees, and the ever-present worry of security breaches. But what if you could bypass all that, keeping your private keys offline and your assets under your direct control throughout the entire exchange? That's precisely what the Ellipal wallet allows you to do. It's a game changer for anyone serious about self-custody and efficient portfolio management. Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, let's briefly touch on why this feature is so powerful. Unlike hot wallets or centralized exchanges, swapping on Ellipal means your assets never leave the secure environment of your device. Your private keys remain offline, significantly reducing the risk of hacks or unauthorized access. This isn't just about convenience, it's about robust security. Now, let's get down to business. The process is remarkably intuitive, but there are a few key things to remember to ensure a smooth transaction. First things first, make sure your Ellipal wallet is charged and connected to the internet via its QR code scanning function. You'll need the Ellipal mobile app for this part of the process, as it acts as the interface for initiating the swap. Open your Ellipal app and navigate to the swap or exchange section. You'll typically find this prominently displayed on the main dashboard. Once there, you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap from and the cryptocurrency you wish to swap to. For instance, if you want to convert some Bitcoin into Ethereum, you'd select BTC as your from currency and ETH as your to currency. Next, enter the amount you wish to swap. The app will then display the estimated exchange rate and the amount of the target cryptocurrency you will receive, taking into account any associated fees. It's crucial to double-check these figures before proceeding. Ellipal partners with reputable exchange services to facilitate these swaps, and the rates are usually competitive. Once you confirm the details, the app will generate a QR code. This is where your physical Ellipal device comes into play. Use your Ellipal cold wallet to scan this QR code. Your Ellipal will then display the transaction details for your review. This is your final opportunity to verify everything: the source and destination cryptocurrencies, the amounts, and the fees. If everything looks correct, you'll authorize the transaction on your Ellipal device, typically by entering your password or pattern. Once authorized, your Ellipal will generate another QR code. You'll then use your phone's camera to scan this QR code displayed on your Ellipal. This final scan transmits the signed transaction back to the Ellipal app, which then broadcasts it to the blockchain. And that's it. The swap process has been initiated. Depending on the network congestion and the cryptocurrencies involved, the swap can take anywhere from a few minutes to a bit longer to complete. You can usually track the status of your swap directly within the Ellipal app. A few important tips to keep in mind: always ensure you have sufficient funds for the swap, including any network fees. Be aware of minimum and maximum swap amounts, which can vary depending on the cryptocurrencies. And as always, only initiate swaps when you have a stable internet connection. Swapping crypto on your Ellipal wallet isn't just a convenient feature, it's a testament to the power of self-custody and integrated security. It empowers you to manage your diverse crypto portfolio without ever compromising the safety of your assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.